Care. Reso manual, reso on backline. May Siegfried sa ano reso and LP sa backline natin. I will count, then we push. Wala silang LP, we can dive. 3, 2, 1, push now. Push team. Push. Epicless is on the backline. Tapos LP. Yung iba yun ng mga nag-overextend. Tayo kayo sa LP sa bandang backline. Reso on the front. MVP has appeared. Location 6 o'clock ng Northern MVP. 6 o'clock. Steal. Kahit focus on MVP points, guys. 6 o'clock. Wala sa team natin. Nandun yung red team. 6 o'clock. Steal. 6 o'clock. Revolts. Na-steal nila. Yung 6 wala pang nag-appear na MVP Sige, medyo yung sinisecure nila. LP dito tayo sa ano. Sa stairs. Packet. Nasa medyo advantage sila. LP on our stock piece. Then we slow push, do not overextend. Hold muna. Binoblock nila yung yung stairs. LP on the on mid before going up. Then we regroup first, then we slow push. Wait for the wool guild bago tayo mag-ano. Wait for the wool guild, guys. Okay, regroup now. Slow push in. Counting in. Push tayo, push. Go. LP slow push, dive now. Sige, may LP tayo. Area capture, pag na-push natin to, pwede tayo mag-contest ng area capture kasi since di natin makukuha yung Northern MVP. Unless di natin ma-push to. Sige, manual reso, LP on our stock. Saint and Priest, AP, sa likod lang kayo. Expel nyo yung mga nasa front line. Counting in 3, 2, 1, push, dive on enemy stock. Wala tayo LP Wala tayo LP, guys. Wala tayo LP. If ever. Nag-fire na ulit yung MVP. Kung kayang steal, we can push. Medyo malalim sila. Hindi yata nila tinitake yung MVP. Sige, manual reso lang. Ayan, may LP or na stock. Push tayo, guys, Wipe na yan. 3, 2, 1. Push now. Update sa crystals. May mga ba? Push. Expel. Mag-expel tayo, expel. 2 points na agad yung isa. Winning yata yung taking na crystal. Yung green, yung violet nasa mid. We can contest near para if ever. Expel. Walking LP. Slow push now. Sige. Mawipe natin yan. Go. Walking LP. Slow push team. Use your pads. AB and sword do not overextend. Go dive now. Tapos yung half of the team go near, which is the 9 o'clock, then the rest, yung mga MVP still 12 o'clock. Now, go. Still near MVP and near platform of crystal. If tingin nyo kung kaya nyo mag-contest ng MVP yung character nyo, go. We can still open ng 12, then the rest stay near. Feeling ko magpapasok yung green. Capture kagad yung near crystal, please. Update sa mga crystal. Pwede natin tong i-contest habang may Imperium pa tayo. Kung kaya lang i-contest. May summon syrup ako naka-ready. Sa near. Sa MVP, sa mid konti lang nandito. Sa mid ang konti, sa far. Checking ako ng far. Sige, na lang tayo, mag-art of war tayo, team. Let's go. Stay yung iba sa near, I will take mid, tapos magsasama na ako, tapos magpa-far kami. Yung mga scout team, please go mid now. Update sa near. Accept nyo summon zero. Accept team. Sige, go. Okay. Sige, medyo madami tong nasa mid. update MVP and near. Closing on near. Okay, copy. Our MVP MVP location 11 o'clock Garb. MVP location, MVP Garb. Sige, we can win by point system as long as we have near northern platform and near MVP. Okay lang yan. Ang contest natin, ang kailangan near crystal and MVP. We still have 1 point at basta wag tayong mababasagan. The rest of the guild, make sure to contest. Blue team, winning na yung green ha. Isa na lang sa par sila. Most of the guild, make sure na huwag maiwan yung blue near. Let's go. Count ako. Yung mga nasa safe, mga nasa crystal, M3, 2, 1, push. Okay. Basta, goal natin, di tayo mababasagan ng M. Number 1 goal, we can secure second place no matter what. Sige, we still have 3 MVPs left, then we can win. Retake mid and northern platform. Please kindly update sa northern MVP platform kung may still ha. We will retake that. But make sure to retake the nearest MVP, nearest crystal. Expel please. Expel. Number 1 rule sa War of Crystal, make sure na nasa loob kayo ng crystal pag nakipag-PvP kayo. Wag kayong lalabas. Okay. MVP update, northern platform, southern nagapira. Yung isang yung mapping, dalawang MVP na lang siguro yan. Hold. Yung base daw, yung base, baka may bumabasag ah. Care. Sige, nag-i-scout ako for a while. Na-retake na nila yung base natin, yung green. I think babasag to. Defend base. Basta yung mga nasa near, huwag kayong extend. Pag nabasag to, mababawasan tayo ng points. So make sure na huwag mababasag M. Palike shield safety, walip kaya. Guys, lahat ng mga nasa half of the near, kindly go to RM now. Then, do not overextend, guys. Defend natin, defend base. Yung Imperium. Focus muna ang Imperium. Guys, focus on objective. Ilan HP ng crystal? Ilang HP ng M natin? LP sa spawn point. Now. LP sa spawn point. Contest. Sige, LP lang, LP. Slow push ha. 3, 2, 1. Sige, attacking pa lang. Dive on RM. Dun sa gitna. Dive tayo boys. Dive bago mabasag. Dive nyo bago mabasag. Sige, dive nyo bago mabasag. Manual reso backline. Dive. Sige, huwag kayo matakot. Dive nyo kaysa mabasag. Mamatay kayo, nasa spawn point tayo. Sige, dive. Manual reso, LP on the back line and front. Light shield safety wall on RM now. Yung kung kaya, basag. Sige, slow push now, slow push to near crystal, 9 o'clock. Northern platform muna. Contest natin still natin northern. Appear, mag-appear na yan ha. Yung northern platform mag-appear. Location, kindly report agad sa guild chat please. 11 Garm, 11 o'clock Garm. We still have 2 points ha. Secure second place lang. Kung mababasagan yung red, kaya yan. We still have 2 points pa para sa MVP. I think pwede natin basagin yung red para di sila manalo at yung 3. Tara, push red. Tapos balik MVP later ha. Push red. Hindi natin mabasag lahat ng Imperium para wala sila sa points. Tapos babawi tayo ng points sa Northern MVP. Slow push now. Diving in red in 3, 2, 1. Push, 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 push. Push, walking LP, walking LP. Sige, sige boys, boys. Dive, 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 dive. Advance, high ground, high ground, high ground. High ground, high ground, high ground. Expel ah. Target their Imperium. Make sure to attack Imperium. FF Imperium, Imperium lang, Imperium lang, Imperium lang. Wag kill, Imperium, Imperium. Ilang percent? Di ko makita, sorry. Once ma-wipe E1 na, okay? LP, reso frontline. DA dive. DA dive now. Make sure to focus on M. Sige, LP sa choke point. Yung mga nasa choke point. Basag, basag. Balik tayo northern. Balik, 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 balik. Balik MVP. Balik MVP. Balik, 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 balik. Yung mga namatay, wag na kayo magpareso. Revive, tapos northern MVP. Now. Sige, sige. Wala na makakalimang points. MVP point system tayo. Walang makakalima dyan. Basag yung maliban sa green. Maliban sa green. Pag natig nila lahat ng crystal. Southern is appearing. Northern, get ready. Mag-appear na. Kindly block the choke on the right side of the northern MVP. Do not overextend. Hold. Block nyo yung stairs. Walang magda-dive. Block nyo lang yung stairs. Tapos ako mag-iikot ako. LP sa stock. Block on stairs. Do not overextend. Walang magda-dive. Sige, block lang ha. Walang bababa ha. Walang bababa. We still need 2 points for MVP. Sige, kaya natin to guys. Wala lang. It's too early. We still have 80 minutes. Binabasag nila yung green. MVP 12 o'clock. Detarderus. 12 o'clock. Detarderus. Nice one. Okay, nice one. Nice one. Last one point. Last one point, then we can take near and later on. But I think best play pa rin natin is mag-point system. After netong makaisa tayo ng isang points, magiging 2 points tayo, tapos iisa pa tayo ulit. Okay? Don't extend, hold lang. Ang makaka-sure win lang dito is green kung matitake nila yung mid, far, and nearest crystal. Pero malabo sa malabo. Dapat basagan sila ng red and violet. Pero for now, hindi tayo magre-risk lumalim ng ganun kasi masyado silang malayo. Ang goal natin is to take MVP and near for now. Fuck. Secure. Well played. Not bad. Secured second place. Hindi pa natin nakuha isa pang MVP. Well played.